Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit your shipping on your bigcartel store. So let's get right into it. Now, once you log in and you arrive at your dashboard, you're going to go over into your account section in the top right. Excuse me. But yeah, once you're here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you get to your shipping profiles. This is the beta version, so it's still not fully implemented, but you can freely use it and set up your shipping. Now you can ship or set up your shipping profiles, which will apply at checkout. You have a default shipping profile and product shipping profiles as well. So once you click on edit your shipping, here you can set up all your profiles. So for example, shipping rates, you can click here to set up the rates. And once you're here, you can set up the standard or you can add a shipping method as well. Also select countries where this applies. I'll select everywhere. And once that's done, you just need to click save. You need to set up these numbers first. So for example, standard is going to be for the first item is going to be, I don't know, 2, and each additional item is going to be, I don't know, 50 cents. Click done. You can set that up for all other services as well. For next day shipping, I'm going to be setting $5 and $2.50. And then for customer pickup, I'm going to set it and leave it at 0. Click save, and that's going to set up your shipping profile. And that is pretty much all you need to do. It's as easy as that. Now you have your profile, which will automatically apply on checkout. And that is pretty much it. You can also enable the beta here. As you can see, any shipping settings used in older product level shipping tools will be ignored while the shipping profile beta is enabled. So you can do that, or you can just do the standard version. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.